Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Macagbo. On this channel, we talk about little there and there. We talk about food, hair, treatment, facial, and then daily life, guys. Thank you very much for always coming back to my channel. Today's topic, I'll be sharing with you 3 tips how to wash your hair or your daughter's hair if you have long hair like that. And while you're washing your hair, it get tangled, or after you washed your hair, it get tangled. So this topic I'll be sharing with you today, guys. First of all, what you do first, you always comb the hair after you take your old box braids or your protective styling off. You always brush the hair. Use a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush. Then you go ahead and section the hair into 4 sections. Once you finish section the hair into 4 sections, you have to make sure you comb the hair very well, guys, especially if your hair is tangled after washing or while washing. Detangle first the hair, it's very important. So once you finish detangle the hair, you go ahead and do the twist, like I am twisting the hair like that. Once you twist the hair all the way to the end, you're going to need some rubber band, the plastic rubber band, just like this, to secure the ends. So this way, when you're washing the hair will not unravel itself. So that hair will keep it intact until you finish wash the hair. So this is why you need the rubber band. And the rubber band, if you want to put it like 4 or 3 section, just to make sure it hold the hair very well, just like this, it's really good. Yeah, that way the hair will not unravel while washing, just because you might be doing it at home and you're not a professional. Yes, so you can put more rubber band to secure the hair, or just the one I use like so. It's all good, depending what suits you better. You see, if you put the rubber band 4 section like this, or 3, just like this lady on my right hand side, it secure the hair very well. So you can go with that, or you just do what I did there. As you know, for some people who are familiar with what I am doing, to detangle hair, it's not easy. It takes you 2 to 3 hours depending how bad your child's hair is or yours. So by the way, I'm just doing pre-pull there, like treatment. If you also want to do protein treatment, you can go ahead and do it. But you just have to twist the hair like this, guys. If you want to go under the dryer with the treatment, it's all good. So like I was saying previously, detangle the hair, it's not easy. You need to take time, patient. And then if you are doing it at home, let the child sit down, and then also in the bathtub. So once she's in the bathtub, you can go ahead and pour the shampoo just like so. Then you just have to look for a good shampoo that goes with your child's hair, because some product contribute to your hair to get tangled as well. Yes, so which we'll be talking about as well, the kind of product to use for specific type of hair if you know your child's hair well. Okay, or you can always look for a good hairdresser to fill the child's hair or your hair. They will be able to tell you exactly which kind of product will resonate with your scalp and your hair. Because for me, when I felt your hair in the shop, that way it allows me to tell you exactly which kind of product to use for that specific type of hair, because we all have different type of texture of hair. So knowing what suits your hair, it's better. It reduces the chances for your hair not to get tangled or knotted more. You see, and go ahead and take your time, wash the hair slowly, massage, and then when it comes to the shampooing, just like so, if you go with 3 washes or 2, it's all good. But 3 washes will be more advisable, just because the hair is twisted. So that way all the dirt can come out. And the only thing that get the dirt out is the shampoo. Get a good product that goes with your hair. Then that way it helps to get the hair clean very well. And take your time and do it slowly. No rush with this process, I am telling you. It takes at least 2 hours minimum, or sometimes even more, depending how hard your hair is while washing. If you get tangled really bad, the temperature of the water, it's very important as well to be checked, because some product with the temperature of the water, and then with whatever in that water as well, contribute to the hair to make it tangled. So guys, please, looking for the best product when it comes to the shampoo and the conditioner. It's very good to look for what goes with your child's hair, because it contributes to your hair to get tangled, knotted while washing or after washing. Our own hair, you can wash it loose. If you wash it loose without the twisted like I did, our hair will get tangled. Yes. So her hair is fine with any kind of shampoo you can use. Her texture is hair is really fine and good. So you can use any kind of shampoo. But when it comes to the conditioner, you can't use any kind of conditioner. The only thing that goes with her own hair is 2-in-1 conditioner and shampoo. So this is why I first of all shampoo separately, which you have to do. You have to find a shampoo separately to wash all the dirt out. So I went 3 wash with her own hair. So now I'm going in with the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, because it just make her hair soft and then not tangled or knotted. So it goes perfectly. You see the difference now, because like I told you earlier on, it's only when you pour water into the hair, the hair will tells you who they are. Yes, because that way it tells you exactly how to manage it if you have experience with the kind of hair you're dealing with. Yes. So the moment I pour water into her hair, then with the shampoo, then I know exactly that, oh no, this hair doesn't need conditioner. It need the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and it worked better. So you also don't wash her hair loose, because if you wash her hair, if it's loose, it gets tangled. But when you twist it like that with the right product, it just goes well, guys. I am telling you, because she has sensitive scalp as well. So because sometimes some people think conditioner soften the hair. It depends if your hair goes with the conditioner, because our hair type are different, guys. So this is why you need to look for a good base hairdresser that experience with hair type. Then they will be able to advise you exactly what to do, guys. Yes, because I know previously people don't trust YouTube these days, but that doesn't mean that I'm gonna stop to share my experience, what I am experiencing in the shop. I would like to share it with you people. Yes, people who are around my circle, they trust me and they keep coming back. Yes, because this girl, this is the first time I wash her hair. When I finished wash her hair, I told the mom. Now the mom bought the 2-in-1 conditioner with some shampoo, and then now she will be starting to twist her hair while washing with the right product. Guys, that's all you need to know. So this is what I'll be sharing with you in this video, to know the kind of product to use specifically in any type of hair, guys. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. Let me know on the other side how you wash your child's hair, and then your struggles you're going through with your child's hair while washing. Let me know. If you just describe your child's hair, I'll be able to recommend something for you on the comments. So as you can see, how the hair looks really nice and soft, very easy. Like I said earlier on, you just have to have the time to do this. There is no rush. I am telling you, your bones will be cracking when you're doing this. This is difficult task for everybody, because if your child's hair tangled while washing or after washing, to be honest with you, this is the process you have to go through to stop that from happening to your child's, because you don't want that untangled hair later on. Combing, brushing, the hair will be breaking, and then the child's sensitive scalp will be hurting and crying. You wouldn't like that, do you? So just take the time, twist the hair, use the right product, use the right temperature for the hair, And then also, if you don't know, look for advice. Go seek some advice with the professional, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I've washed the hair now. It really make it soft. You go ahead and towel dry the hair. Yes, guy, like I told you, with this child's hair, it's only when you're washing it. If you leave our own hair loose without the twist, it get tangled. But because I twisted it and used the 2-in-1 conditioner shampoo to condition it, it's all perfect. There is no problem. Yes, as you can see the twist. So now you go ahead and take those rubber bands off and detangle with your fingers. So at this stage now, if you want to dry the hair with a dryer, it's all good. Then you go ahead and add your moisturizing cream or oil, whatever goes with your child's hair, because for her hair it's soft anyway. She has soft hair. It's only the washing process that the hair get tangled. Yes, because if you don't use the right product and then you don't do the right thing correctly, the hair will get tangled. So as you can see, it's all good now. I just went with my fingers and untangled all the hair nicely, because she got super sensitive scalp, this girl. I am telling you. Yes, the mom was happy. She was happy, happy, happy. I am telling you, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. You go ahead and moisturize very well, and then you towel dry, or if you want to dry it a little bit, you can. So you see, if it's like the Afro kinky hair now, at this stage you don't do it. You just go ahead straight away and do the protective styling while the twists are still on. You just lose one twist and then you go with the protective styling. Yes, because those tight Afro kinky, their own twist, it's bad, guys. And I haven't have somebody who came to the shop to do that. I'm just gonna break it down roughly for you, but I didn't have someone that comes because the lady was supposed to come that day. She canceled the appointment, so I only have two that comes. But with the tight Afro kinky, I'm just gonna break it down for you how the hair behave once it has water. Yes, but I really like to show you guys, because showing you it's better. So as you can see, you go ahead and dry it. So like I said earlier on, the Afro kinky, you can't leave it like this. You just divide the hair and then you go ahead with the style. Yes, which I'm going to show you now. So you see, you oil and you do your protective styling. Yes, guys. Then if you also your hair tangled while braiding, if you want me to make a video, comment, let me know. So this one next now is the Afro kinky. So the Afro kinky, that once you washed it, then the hair get twisted. Like I said earlier on, I didn't have somebody that comes to show, but this is how it looked. Once you finish wash it, then it just tangled. So to avoid this, while you're detangle the hair and then you did this kind of twist and then you wash with the twist like this, moisturize very well while the twists are still on, or you dry the hair. Don't blow dry it with the Afro kinky hair, because it gets super tangled really fast, just like so. So once you finish with the twist, wash, then leave the twist and just unravel one twist. Then you apply your conditioner or your seal oil or your Vaseline, whatever cream that goes with your child's hair, you apply it there, and then you just do your protective styling while they got the twist, the remaining twist intact. That way the hair will not twisted itself with the Afro kinky hair. Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't have any donor for that, guys. So this next one now, it's a different hair texture. This mixed race child, yes, her hair texture is different. All it needs, it's deep conditioner. That's what it needs with her own hair. Yes, you can use hair food or you can use hair max, and then Pantene. You just wash shampoo very well, then you go with the hair mayonnaise or any kind of deep conditioner you have. That's all this hair need. This one goes with conditioner. I got lots of videos. You can check how I mix the hair food or ready made hair food, and then with Pantene, and then also with the conditioner. You mix the three together and do a protein treatment or a deep protein treatment. You can use that with this kind of hair if you have a mixed race child. You can do pretty much the same, just like what I did previously. You just massage. It's just different product to use for each hair. With the Afro kinky hair, you can use either the two. They're all good. Yes. So this one, the mixed race child, it just need deep treatment. Then you detangled with your finger very well with the twist. Still go on with the twist. Don't leave the twist. It help out a lot so that the hair will not get knotted or tangled. As you can see, you can use the comb to detangle or your fingers. Detangle those ends very well because it just helps to detangle the hair and make it soft. So you see this girl now, once the hair is deep conditioner, you can leave it. It doesn't tangle itself. But if you don't do the deep conditioner, that's when it tangles. You see the difference? Yes, guys. So these are the only experience that I'm facing in that shop. You can always look for a hairdresser to fill the hair. They will be able to help you guys with what your child need for their hair to stop that naughty, muddy, twisted, hair. I hope this video helped you in any way, guys. Please, if it does, don't forget to press that red button. And I want to see more likes, guys. Just press that like button. You know where the thumbs up is. Press it if you don't like to comment. No problem, guys. No problem, yo. So please look at that hair now. You see how the difference is. This one, you can leave it once it has deep conditioner. You can use hair mask treatment, hair food, and then conditioner. You just mix, and this hair can use any kind. Yes. So guys, I hope this video help you. If it does, I really love you. I'm going all out to show you my trick. I showed you exactly what I use in that shop. I'm not hiding anything because the time I retire, that's it. I am out. I am out, guys. Yes, so these videos will be there to help you. Okay, so you see the hair now, it's not tangled. You just go ahead now and do your protective styling. Don't forget to moisturize. You can check our cream and oil that we made, our handmade cream. They're really good. They help to soften the hair. They help to encourage hair growth. Yes, guys. Once you finish towel dry the hair, you can go ahead now and use leave-in conditioner or handmade cream, seal oil, cream, any kind of thing. The reason why sometimes I don't like recommending things for people because some hair, they're different. They don't go with everything. Even my handmade cream, I don't push it to people to buy it. If they come to the shop, I give them what they need, guys. Just for you to have healthy hair and then your hair really grow fast. Okay, with what you need. So guys, please go ahead now and moisturize the hair. That's my handmade cream I'm using there. It's good for our hair because it helps our hair to be soft. So I hope to see you to the next video soon, guys.